Good day, children. Today we are going to read a very interesting topic. Every day I tell you the same thing, that this is an interesting topic. Okay, well, all the topics that are interesting have been chosen for you. But they are also interesting for me because every topic has got something new to give you. When you are reading English, this is basically communicative English, and the purpose of this particular course is to teach you vocabulary. Yes, you know, some amount of grammar that you know, and some content subject. Okay, and these content subjects have been chosen as per the functional part, the grammar part. Number one thing. Number two thing, these topics that have been chosen are very interesting. Particularly today's topic is interesting because you are going to read about cancer. Oh, no, cancer is not an interesting thing. It's not at all. The moment you hear the word cancer, then we feel very frightened because till now no permanent cure has been found for this disease. And second thing is this, nobody knows actually why cancer takes place. What is cancer exactly? It is a growth of a kind of a tumor. Tumor माने गोल गोल जिनस गुड़ाक बॉडी रे बढ़ी जाए. Tumor गुड़ाक बॉडी रे बढ़ी जाए. And what is this tumor? What happens when a man grows? I am talking about a man because we are human beings. I am not talking about animals and all that. I am talking about a human being. Human beings in our body, तुम जानी थी हम body रे बहुत गुड़े cell अच्छी. और cell रो growth संगरे we also grow as per the growth of the cell. Number one, खाली cell गुड़ा को grow करूनांती. One cell dies, giving rise to another cell, and that cell dies, giving rise to another cell. So this birth, growth, death, this particular system, if it continues, then it is a good thing. It's a good thing for our health. किंतु गोटे कथा भी भाव देखी आमर जो सेल गुड़ाक चली थी से रकम भाव में आम तो 8 फुट 10 फुट 12 फुट 15 फुट केते डेंगा at a particular time, at a particular point of time, these cells stop growing and तापरे आमे बुढ़ाओ. किंतु in some cases these cells they don't stop growing. Actually गोटे हाथर लंबाटा जर एतिकी लंबा हवा कथा, then the cells they start growing और तापरे से माने कौन करते ना ट्यूमर रे these cells they grow तापर जमाट बांधी करी तो माने ट्यूमर रह जाती. And these tumors are called cancerous. They turn cancerous and they are called cancer cells or cancer tumors. And these tumors they give pain and all these things. तो तो सुनी थी वो cancer रो problem गुड़ाक. तापर कौन होची next जिनसटा होची आमर treatment. आमर जे कौन से disease वाले आमे treatment पाओ. बर्तमान जमते COVID पाइन there is no permanent cure has been found for this particular disease. सही रकम कैंसर पाई मध्य किसी permanent disease, permanent medicine बाहरी ने. But doctors have been treating them. केमती करूचंती तांकु रे तांको देहर दिया होची आउ तांको नाना दी रकम ट्रीटमेंट भी तांको करा जाए. से करा जिबारो after effect of this treatment is this, that the patient also, the after effect नहीं side effect is this, that the patient also suffers quite a lot. तब देखी थी वो जैसे बेले कैंसर पेशेंट माने ट्रीटमेंट है कि आसी थी बे तापर हॉस्पिटल रो तापर तंकर चूड़ झड़ी जाई थी वो देह सरू हो जाई थी वो ते माने बॉडी टा वीक हो जाई थी वो and all these things. So the person who has cancer suffers from cancer and suffers more from the treatment that is given to him. He survives, but he survives with pain. And today we are going to read a topic about cancer, fight against cancer. The name of the topic is the cancer fight from Hiroshima to Houston. So turn at the page 41. This topic is written by Rishoko Komaki, a person from Hiroshima. You know about Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These are the two places who for the first time were bombarded. Atom bombs were dropped in those Hiroshima and Nagasaki area during the Second World War. तो मैंने जन्म हितला सेतबेले मूवी जन्म ही नथिली 1945 ର କଥା. So we were not born during that time. So two atom bombs were dropped in two places, and the devastation of the atom bomb was so much, the destruction was so much जे एका सांगरे वार्ता बंद हो गला, समस्त डरिगिरी वार्ता बंद हो गला. But people suffered from the after effect of the atom bomb. The person who had invented this atom bomb, he had an intention. The intention of the scientists, doctors, and these people are never bad. They invented the atom bombs. They tried to find out atoms and the properties of atoms to give you some kind of a remedy. Okay, so now let us see. This is the atom. Okay, smallest thing. मते कहया गले सब बॉडी रो सबुठ छोट जिनिस होची एटम. एटम रो न्यूक्लियस माने सेंटर गोटे अछि न्यूक्लियस. ओके, सो मो एटा चित्र करे. ए न्यूक्लियस टा इज मेड ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन दीटा जिनिस को नै करी द एटम इज क्रिएटेड. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, proton is positive and neutron is negative. আজি পর্যন্ত जो treatment চালিଥିଲା for cancer, they have been using neutron to treat cancer. Okay, cancer cells that for the first time became very horrible due to the bombing at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Okay, so this person, the writer, is a doctor, okay, who is working for the cure towards the cure of, who is working towards the cure of cancer. So now look at this topic. It's very interesting, because when something new comes out, we all feel very interested to see that particular thing. Dr. Rishoko Komaki was living with her family near Osaka. Osaka means Japan. Okay, when the atomic bomb exploded on her native Hiroshima in 1945. She was living in Hiroshima और Nagasaki. दुईटा जगह बॉम्ब पड़िला. In one place she was living near that Hiroshima, जो जगह की ता घर पाखरे ही atom bomb पड़िला. But the family returned to the devastated city when she was 4, and Komaki grew up a witness to the long-term effects, which likely contributed heavily to the deaths of about half her relatives, including her father. So, atom bomb to podi gala. Atom bomb podi kuri, it destroyed the entire area, and some people aguru to ke jani nathile na atom bomb ta podiba boli kuri. Atom bomb tale podila जहाँ देहरे बाजी की ताको पोड़ी देनी, बाकी जो साइड इफेक्ट जो लोगों से दिले, उसने दौड़ी गिरी से जगह छाड़ी की चाली गले. But after some time they came back. But the radiation of the atom bomb in that mati, in that soil, still continues. आजी पर्यंत भी चालीची. After 50 plus years चालीची, 70 years चालीची. But and the effect of this atom bomb in the air is very bad, and the people of that place suffer terribly. Even after the atom bomb and the war, everything was over, still then the writer lost a lot of her relatives due to different diseases. Like many Japanese, she developed both a fascination with and fear of radiation. So जेतेबेले आटम रो गोटे रेडिएशन रही. ओके, सो आटम रो सेटा गोटे बहुत बदमाश काम जे तार आटम रो गोटे जिनस रही, तार बहुत गोटे रेडिएशन रोची. जो आटम बॉम्ब रो मेनली because it was manufactured in such a way that it had the capacity to destroy. तमे बॉम्ब रे केमते डिस्ट्रॉय हे तमे देखिथिबो. ओके, सो a lot of people died even after the bomb was 4, 5, 10, 15 years after that. People suffer from the effect of the atom bomb. Today, Dr. Komaki has learned how to apply radiation creatively and no longer fears it. Okay, so now, kon hela? Everything has got a positive side and a negative side. Everything on earth. Okay, तुम जो गोलाप तोड़िया को जाओ तार कंटाटा फर्स्ट तुम हाथ रे लागिबो किंतु तमे कोन करते गोटे टिश्यू गोटे कागज गोटे कना नै करी जीवो तापरे ताकू धरिबो सेटाकू धरि करी ताकू कोन करबा कि ना आस्ते करी ओपाडी दे परिबो एंड you can smell the beauty of rose. Okay, so that is the beauty. Okay, but over here we are not talking about rose, we are talking about atom bomb. So the effect of the atom bomb was fearsome, it was deadly, it was fearsome, but the writer has tried to work on the atomic, the impact of atom bomb and bring out something, bring out a positive result out of this same deadly atom. Okay. As clinical section chief and program director of the thoracic radiation oncology, तुम मैंने सब शुणी थी सॉरी तुम मैंने सब ऑन्कोलॉजी ना शुणी थी ऑन्कोलॉजी माने कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट बोले आम भाभी दिए ऑन्कोलॉजी इज द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द टिश्यू खाली कैंसर पूरा टोटल बॉडी नुहे खाली जो टिश्यू गुड़ाक होइथिबो कैंसर टिश्यू से गुड़ाक ऊपर जो रिसर्च होची से रिसर्च सेंटर रे द राइटर इज वर्किंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर रिसर्च सेंटर ओके एट द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्सास एमडी एंडरसन कैंसर सेंटर इन Houston. She is not working in Japan but at Houston. She uses it in increasingly sophisticated ways to fight cancer. आमर गोटे कथा अच्छी कंटके नैब कंटकम शुणी ए कथा केते संस्कृत थिला ओके शुण आमे कंटारे कंटाटा बाहर तुम गोड़े गोड़े कंटा पशिगला खाली पादरे चलुला कंटा पशिगला आम गोटे छुटी छुंची कि सेफ्टी पिन आनी ताको गरम करी से कंटारे बाकी कंटा आम बाहर करे एक्जाक्टली लाइक दैट दिस राइटर शी यूजेस द सेम एटम्स व्हिच हैड डिस्ट्रॉयड हर नेशन हर टाउन टू फाइंड अ रिजल्ट for the cancer that was created because of the dropping of the atom bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. She is one of the world's leading researchers and advocates of proton radiation beam therapy. So what she is doing mu tumo gote कहली गोटे होची proton होची positive आगोटे होची neutron is negative. Now she is using proton to treat cancer. या आगुरु जो ट्रीटमेंट गुड़ा चली एबे भी चली आउरी it was mainly with neutron. आटम को भांगी ता भीतर प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन बाहर करी न्यूट्रॉन टाको यूज करी ट्रीटमेंट होतला. Okay, now she is using proton. And according to Komaki, her work is much better done in the context of a university program than at private institution. तमे जदि गोटे तमे कौन करिबो ना गोटे यूनिवर्सिटी रे तमे if you research in a university तमे जानिछो जे AEIOU एगुडा को होउचंती नाउन आ नाउन आगरु आन लागिबा कथा नहीं कि किंतु ए यूनिवर्सिटी आमे कहूचु काहे के कहूचु ना AEIOU जो कहा है जी एगुडा को होची प्रोनाउंसिएशन रो मध्य गोटे ड्राइंग गोटे अछि से ड्राइंग रे यू रो ड्राइंग ता होची JU ए टाइप रो JU जेहेतु जे जिनसटा अच्छी से लगी यू न होकरी माने यू टाकू ए न करी आन न करी ए करा जाउची. सो दैट इज द question. If somebody asks you, you answer this question like this. So now she says that if you work in a university, it is much better than working privately. कहीं ना नंबर वन कथा होची तुमको बहुत पैसा दरकार हबो काम करिया पाई, बहुत टाइम दरकार हबो, बहुत बड़ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दरकार हबो. सो प्राइवेटली से काम गुड़ा का कले इट विल नॉट बी दैट इफेक्टिव. If you work in a university, then then it will be slightly helpful, more helpful for you. Our patients, including all of our proton patients, are treated under clinical trials. तमे जानी थी जे गते बेले गोटे पेशेंट नुआ डिजीज गोटे किछि हला पेशेंट गुडा को ट्रीटमेंट हला तमे कोविड कथा मु कहूनी तमे गोटे पेशेंट को ट्रीटमेंट होतबो द डॉक्टर investigates and keeps an eye on the patient. Keeps an eye on the patient माने गोटा की ना एटा होची गोटे कहावत. Keep an eye on एटा गोटे कहावत जे ता ऊपर तुमे आखि रखी थिबो. मु जो ताको ट्रीटमेंट दउची ता देहरे केमती भाबरे जाउची ताको देखिबा पई. So what happens that जते बेले ताको प्रोटॉन केते गुडे पेशेंट A patient गुड़ाक they are treated with proton, 8 patients are treated with neutron. Neutron therapy has been continuing since long. For a very long time it is continuing. So when exactly I do not know. तमे माने नेट को पचारि कि बुझ दे पारिबो. किंतु वर्तमान से माने प्रोटन थेरापी आरंभ कलेनी. It is difficult to treat patients on trial at private hospitals or clinics. They don't have enough manpower. First jinsota hochi private jaga gudakare when you are treating a patient at a private place, at a private clinic, then the first problem is manpower. The problem of manpower. कौन है मैन पावर तुम्हारो मैन पावर माने मनीष शक्ति ता माने तमे बहुत गुडे लोक पाइबो नाही टू हेल्प यू इन योर वर्क. ओके यू विल गेट लेस नंबर ऑफ पीपल टू असिस्ट यू टू हेल्प यू. They don't have enough manpower and they don't have review boards that can check on compliance of eligibility and maintain strict quality control of treatment. सब लोक मानकर मुंड पाखर तुम देखि गोटे गोटे बोर्ड गोटे गोटे झुला होता है देखिच बोर्ड गोटे गोटे झिला होता है प्रत्येक बेड पाखे गोटे गोटे बोर्ड झुला होता है. ए बोर्ड रे तुम सब जिस लिखुव किंतु तुमर जदि लोक कम हो गले नर्स कम हो गला सकाळ 8टा गोटे नहीं रीडिंग संध्या 8टा गोटे रीडिंग नब. किंतु जदि if at the same time you find you are working in a university then you find that you got more number of people. A nurse might come at 12 o'clock, might come at 4 o'clock, might come at 10 o'clock to take the reading. Okay, sorry mu bhuli gali ut round. So what happens, that is the advantage faida of working in a university. You get lot of manpower to check, to keep a track सब बेले नजर रखी हबो on the growth problem of effect, side effect of the treatment. Recently awarded the Juan A. Del Rigado Foundation Gold Medal for Best Educator and Teacher. The higher education setting also allows Dr. Komaki to share her knowledge with future innovators. She is a teacher. First of all, she is a teacher. Not only doctor, she is also a teacher. And because she is working in a university, teaching, then what happens? She got award as a best teacher. खाली experiment करी treatment करी. Not only that, but she was a very good teacher and she got awarded for teaching well as well. Okay, and at the same time she was carrying on with her experiment in the library of the university. I try always to educate younger people, students and trainees as well as patients to live healthy lives and achieve their goal to help others. आमर कोन होची बतन जतबे कोविड हेची आमको समस्त को कहुच्छी तुम मास्क पिंधिकी बुल मुझे क्लास रे कहीं मास्क पिंधिनी मो मास्क आनी मोर ये रखीदे बैग भितर रखीदे जमती रूम रू बाहर भी क्लास सर पिंधिदेवी कहीं ना तुम्हें तुम्हें जानूच एयर रे आसूची एयर रे आसिक यू माइट इनहेल इट एंड यू माइट गेट कोविड सो द फर्स्ट थिंग द गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग तुम्हें देखो तो प्रत्येक दिन सकाळू थरे पोस्ट ऑफिस रू थरे बीएसएनएल रू थरे गवर्नमेंट रू थरे आउ गोटे क्या पाखु सब बेले मेसेज आसूची नाक कवर करके रख नाक पाटी कवर कर रख हाथ धुओ क्या टच करनी छाड़िए कि रुह एमती बहुत गुड़े जिनस ओडिया इंग्लिश हिंदी रे लिखाई सब बेले आसूची तुम मैंने देखुव सो इफ द government doesn't I mean it refuses to train us teach us make us aware of what to do ताले कौन हम आम डिजीज बहुत बढ़ी जीव ओके कैंसर इज नॉट ए कंटाजियस डिजीज छुईक होनी लाइक कोविड छुईक हुए ना बट द थिंग इज दैट देयर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दैट वी कैन डू जमती कहती जे ग्रीन चा सका तुम्हें जब पीब ताहले तुम कौन हम कि ना कैंसर सेल्स एमती आ खराब हेनी तुम बॉडी रे बढ़ोनी एमती बहुत रकम कथा कहीकि द गवर्नमेंट ट्राइज टू मेक अस अवेयर of what to do. That is what the writer is telling. Awareness, create awareness among the students, teachers, citizens and citizen of the world. समस्त को aware कराओ. Proton therapy. Now she is going तुम तो already कही सारी छी जे से proton therapy रे से करूची. Proton एटा हला neutron. Okay, neutron minus एटा होची positive. से proton therapy she is experimenting with proton therapy. Proton therapy, like other forms of radiation, aims ionizing particles, in this case proton, onto a target tumor to damage and ultimately destroy its cancerous cells. So कौन हबो ना ए proton गुड़ा को तमरो जो ट्यूमर हेतिबो सेटा को आने के ताकू अटैक करिवो अटैक करिकरी ताकू डिसॉल्व करे दबो डिसॉल्व करेकरी तापर ताकू उड़े दबो. That is the intention of this experiment. Okay. But proton beams are much more localized and powerful than the X-ray used in more established radiation therapy. आज पर्यंत X-ray गुड़ाक होतुला. Okay. X-ray होतुला जो थरे न्यूट्रॉन टा बेसी यूज होतुला. So proton टा बेसी localized. एटा कौन होची तमर द्वारा ट्यूमर टा एठी अछि तुम रेडिएशन पड़ला बेलू एत गोटे जगार रेडिएशन पड़ जाऊला. ओके एक्सरे टा आसिक एमती एमती होकर बेसी जगह कवर करूला एटा को भी छाड़िकी किंतु वर्तमान इन प्रोटन थेरापी तुम जनकर जब ट्यूमर एटी ताले से एटी आसिक एका पड़ो बेसी नष्ट करिबो नाही द अदर टिश्यूज हेल्दी टिश्यूज इट डजंट टच. In the latter the doses is big enough to kill the cancerous cells, but some radiation also hits the healthy cells around the tumor. तो मुझे कही सारे एथर कौन होची ना ए जो ट्यूमर टा होची मरिबो ता संगे संगे हेल्दी केते गोटे जिंस मध्य मरि जिवे. Healthy tumors around the cancerous tumor will die. To reduce damage to healthy tissues by a scattered dose of low radiation, the oncologist requires sharply delineated radiation, and proton beams are shaped to almost perfectly match the specific tumor and aim to strike it precisely. गोटे कथा तुम्हें देख गोटे लोकटे क्रिकेट खेलुची ओके मुझे क्रिकेट खेलिकी मुझे बैटिंग करुची तुम से बोलिंग कल मो बैट रे आटा आसिक बाजिला मो बैट रे आसिक बाजिक मो एमिति भाव रे बैटिंग कली से बॉल ना जाके तुम हाथ रे पड़ी गला. सो आई हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू बैट so that instead of falling into your hand it will go away somewhere else. Okay, that is what I will always try. So over here also the doctors are trying that. सेमाने कोन करचोंती जदि न्यूट्रॉन अछि this radiation will come directly to the tumor and then try to kill the tumor without causing any disturbance to the outer cell. Okay, एगुड़ा को से किछि करूनी like beforehand they were killing other healthy cells as well. Collateral damage is thus minimal. Collateral damage माने एठी गोटे जगह डैमेज हबा कथा ता संगरे लागी करी आउरी केते गोटे जिनिस मध्य अफेक्ट हे करी डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाए जोटा एठी होतला. So this kind of a damage is much less in proton therapy, making it feasible to hit the cancer with much bigger doses. So jehetu because it is not hitting outside cells, so they can give एठी जते बेले एठी कोन होची ए जागा रे समान कोन करचंती एठी ट्यूमर अछि ट्यूमर को हिट कला बेल को एते गोटे जागा it gets burnt because of the X-ray radiation. But over here the proton therapy what happens, it hits proton only. So instead of 1 milligram, supposing I'm not very sure of this, 1 milligram एठी दउतबो ए जागा रे समान 10 milligram भी देई परिबे बुझ पारलो. So the dose will go in a very thick way and it hit the cancer cell and kill the cancer cell as well as the tumor be destroyed hejiba. In addition, proton release up to 90% of their cancer fighting energy as they penetrate the skin and lose 30% of it by the time they reach the tumor, meaning their overall effectiveness is reduced by 40%. They also exist they also exit out the rear of the tumor to further damage healthy tissues behind it. I have already a discussion kari sarileni. By controlling the speed with which it is shot into the body, the proton beam is calibrated to be at 30% of its maximum efficacy near the skin level while gathering full strength when it actually reaches the tumor, and it barely exits the body at all. So now तुम देखिथिबो जेतेबेले गोटे बात्या आसुची तुम तो सबल देखुचो बात्याटा जेतेबेले समुद्र ऊपर आसुची बात्याटा कोन करूची ना स्लो एठी समुद्र अछि एपटे स्लो अछि जेतेबेले एपट आसी पहुंचुची तार पावर बहुत बेसी बड़ी जाउची. Like that the proton therapy also, when it comes from outside, it hits the skin with 30% capacity. The speed of the proton therapy is magnified to maximum capacity, so it hits the cells, the cancerous cells with a force, with a lot of power, and destroys it without destroying the outer cells or anything else. In 1988, she began putting her years of research to work at UTMD Anderson. She went to another college and tried practical treatment for the theory that she had been working on. Agru kagazre lekhaleki ke practice kortula, bartaman practically she has tried cancer therapy. Though protons were discovered by Ernest Rutherford in 1919, proton therapy did not commence until 1954. 1919 re proton was discovered, but till 1954 proton was not used for anything. The Harvard cyclotron laboratory partnered with Massachusetts General Hospital to begin treating cancer patients in 1961. 1954, 1961. Okay, kette difference तुम देखी पारुथबो तुम जानूच. Okay, so now you can see that proton, ultimately people have become aware of the advantage of proton. Atom bomb खाली destroy करबनी, atom भितरे थिबा जिनिस गुड़ाक also can help man survive a better life. but the necessary technology is so expensive that treatment remained confined to physics research laboratory until 1990 till 19 एडा सब पाई गला परे भी सुधा till 1990 people could not use it because it was very expensive. The treatment, proton research and treatment was very expensive, and till 1990 people could not use it. Intrigued by the proton therapy research then available, Komaki and Cox visited Loma Linda Erlion and began to push for a similar unit at UTMD Anderson, जोटी से पढ़ौतिला ता कॉलेज रे. When they returned to Houston, रे आसिकरी she wanted their university to start the same research that was going on outside. Their efforts paid off in 2006 when $125 million proton therapy center opened its door. Opened its door mane it gifted them the money $125 million to start their research work for cancer treatment. Today Komaki and her colleagues treat thoracic malignancy. Malignancy माने जोटा जो ट्यूमर टा देहरे ऑलरेडी कैंसर हे जाइतिबा एंड thoracic माने एठू आरंभ करी कि ए पर्यंत ओके तो हमर बॉडी पोर्शन रो ट्रीटमेंट पाई शी स्टार्टेड ता भीतर जदी को जगह किछि हेछि ओके लिवर पेटो जा जोटी जा हला सेही जो ट्रीटमेंट पाई शी हैज स्टार्टेड यूजिंग प्रोटॉन थेरेपी. Therapy that requires a team of 7 doctors, several physicians and dosimetrists. Dosimetrists माने जो माने help करती कामरे, and a couple dozen technicians in 10 to 15 patients daily. A lot of 100 खंडे लोक पते दरकार होती बे daily for treatment of 10 to 15 people only. So you can imagine. With 4 of them taking proton therapy, like other radiation treatment, proton therapy runs about 7 weeks. In all, the proton therapy center, with Dr. Andrew Lee as medical director, treats 75 to 80 patients daily. But now the capacity has gone up because they have got lots of money. With lots of money, they have engaged lots of people. Koragam person, nobody person, no. Doctors, nurse, research people, and both बढ़िया सर्जन एमान को सेमाने अपॉइंटमेंट देकरी they are treating cancer 75 to 80 patients daily. To Komaki, this is just the beginning. Our physicists have already made a machine here that creates a scanning beam. So now they have already created a machine, and this particular machine is going to scan the beam. Kourakam beam, whether it is proton or neutron beam mane सूर्यर जमती किरण रो माने तार भलिया है कि जम जाउ थाए just like that atom रो power जोड़ जाउची for treatment of cancer. We are the only place in the world with a scanning beam, which means we can remove neutron contamination because they have the capacity to scan it. ताकू से माने अलगा अलगा करिबार ताकू कैपेसिटी तांकर रहिला बाली कोटा लुहा कोटा पानी कोटा चीनी कोटा सने अलगा अलगा करिबार जेंति कैपेसिटी जण जण कर थाय गोटे मेथड रे थाय सेही रकम से माने मध्य से माने एटम रो विभिन्न विभिन्न जिंस ताकू अलगा अलगा करिबार कैपेसिटी दे हैव एंड the thing that they require proton जिनस टाकू से माने बाहर करकरी only they use that only one thing. It is सहज कथा भाबनी. It's a very difficult thing, and now they take out the proton to treat the patient with that. And because of that, they can also remove न्यूट्रॉन कंटामिनेशन. न्यूट्रॉन जो माने ट्रीटमेंट करथिबे एई जगह रे प्रोटॉन गला एई जगह रे प्रोटॉन जाई कि ताको क्लियर कर दला किंतु जेते बाहरिले भी सुद्धा माने बर्तन प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन जाउचंती से माने न्यूट्रॉन टाको बाहर कर दवा को चेष्टा करचंती बट समटाइम्स न्यूट्रॉन आल्सो कम्स एंड इट कंटामिनेट्स दिस प्लेस and they have the capacity now, they have developed the capacity now to remove the negative impact of the neutron after effect of this disease. तुमको already first में तुमको कही थी गोटे पेसेंट कैंसर थाई ये से ट्रिटेड हो आसे तार चूड़ उपड़ी जाए दांत उपड़ी जाए स्किन खराब हो देह पतला हो शी और ही वोमिट्स and they become very very weak. Now that the percentage of the illness due to the after effect of cancer treatment has gone down drastically. बहुत कम जाइए. Neutrons are created when protons enter the body. Though it happens rarely, they can cause secondary malignancy a decade or more later. आ गोटे कौन दुख जिनसा कौन जानिछ जे तमे जेते ट्रीटमेंट ए पर्सन इज गेटिंग ट्रीटेड फॉर कैंसर ए जो न्यूट्रॉन तुम एक्सरे कहूली न्यूट्रॉन रो ट्रीटमेंट फल रे ए जो कैंसर टा मरी जीवो आफ्टर ए डेकेड माने 10 वर्ष might be after 3 years 5 years or 10 years another tumor will grow side रे हेकि चारियाडे माने बढ़ी जिवे एटा कैंसर गोटे कैंसर गोटे जगह लिमिट है न रही ट्रीटमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट दे स्प्रेड एवरीवेयर ओके मोर किंतु बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रोटन थेरापी इट हैज बीन कंटेन्ड एटा को कंट्रोल करी होउची. She also believes that proton therapy is extremely important to the future of cancer care. These patients are already sick from cancer. She says, why make them get sicker from treatment? Now we can make them more comfortable killing cancer cells but not killing normal cells. Now they can live a normal life while getting treatments. Whatever happens next in this field, Dr. Rishoko Komaki and her colleagues at UTMD Anderson are likely to be at the forefront. माने आगरे बर्तमान whatever treatment is being experimented on जहाँ जहाँ experimentation चली for cancer care समस्तंकर आगरे रही कोमाकी and her friend and her colleague माने तुम सांगर जो माने काम करछंती से माने तुम्हार colleague माने अछंती for developing more and advanced cancer treatment and care. Care also is very very important because the person suffering from cancer suffers quite a lot. The body goes through a kind of a तमे भाबस तो बॉडी इटा गोटे देखि पसई देई करी गोटे मशीन भितर ताकू रगडुची कि ताकू चकड़ी करी करी ताकू मिक्स रे करी करी ताकू मिक्स रे ताकू ब्रूम 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 कर दोजी बॉडी टाको. So patient तो suffer करूची because of the treatment the patient should not suffer more. So that is the intention of this particular writer, Dr. Komaki, who is a teacher at the same time. She is teacher in the university, teacher, and also at the same time she is a researcher who is researching towards the growth and betterment of the society for the cancer patients so that they do not suffer. The cancer is killed and the patient does not suffer from the side effect of the medicines. Okay, now we come to the conclusion of our topic. So do we talk about a few questions also? Ready? Okay, you cannot answer me through this filming system, but मु जेते बळे मु क्वेश्चन भी मु पचारि भी आंसर भी मु देबी सेते बळे तमे माने देखुथिबो. Okay, and you write down these answers so that you are prepared for your examination. मु जो क्वेश्चन उडा करी नाही मध्य you go through the topic and prepare these answers. Okay, what different kinds of therapies were used for treating cancer before the use of proton therapy? What are the therapy that was used for treatment of cancer before Komaki started her proton therapy? Both easy. We have already discussed this particular thing. Okay. First आमे discuss करिथिले जे initially से माने X-ray treatment होतेला first ray and from this X-ray they used to get proton and neutron, and this neutron was used to treat cancer. Cancer is a tumor, a kind of a tumor that is created because of the growth, uncontrollable growth of the cells which should die and allow its children to live. Semane grow kari chalibe, they will create a tumor will develop cancer. So this tumor, initially semane X-ray treatment karutile, X-ray ru they started treating with the neutron, and the neutron used to treat the cancer cells. But the side effect of this kind of a treatment was that these neutrons used to affect the side cells also. The neighboring cells were also affected by this neutron and X-ray neutron therapy. So initially there was X-ray therapy, and from there they started the neutron therapy, and both of them had a very heavy side effect. खाली side effect रे लोक माने चंदा है जिबे कि लोक माने बांटी करिबे नुए, the cancer cells were also multiplied in a very large number due to the treatment, due to the side effect of the neutron therapy. What did Komaki initially learn about treating cancer? She learned, what did she learn? She learned that by treating neutrons, तुमको already कही सालनी answer था number 1 रे, neutron गुड़ा को creating negative impact, and this negative impact should be removed, and a patient should be allowed to live with only with the cancer cells or the death of the cancer cells. How the death of the cancer cells will occur? If you use proton. If you use proton, then it will come at a very very large speed रे आसीबा, आसिकी स्किन को टच करी संगे संग ता तले थिबा कैंसर सेल को पूरा बहुत मोटा रे जाई कैंसर सेल को बाची ताकू डिस्ट्रॉय कर दबो. So she discovered that the neutrons were destroying healthy cells as well, but the proton therapy was going and destroying only the cancer cells, while the patients were not having any side effect like going bald, going vomiting, weaknesses, and all these things were not there if she treats the patients with the proton therapy. That is what she discovered. What did she learn about cancer treatment in the US? What 2 things did Komaki learn about radiation? What she learned, we have से गोटे क्वेश्चन को से बारंबार पचारुची अलग अलग करी करी. Okay, she learned that radiation was destroying, had a very negative impact on the patients of cancer. It was burning the cancer cells, at the same time it was destroying healthy cells as well. And because of the burning of the healthy cells, the patients later within 3, 4, 5 years would develop more cancer tumors, cancerous tumors in the body. And that is the negative impact of the treatment, the initial treatment. Aguru jo treatment ta hotala cancer re, seitara negative impact eita thila. Okay, when did proton therapy first start? ମୁଁ एते गुडे जिनिस फास्ट लेखिकी तुमको देली 1919 रे थेरापी कथा कहउचंती मु किंतु बिगिनिंग रु आरंभ करछि तुम एते कथा लिखिया दरकार नै 1919 रे किया हला रदरफोर्ड ROTHERFORD Rutherford for the first time discovered the word proton. The thing proton was discovered by Rutherford in 1919, and the positive impact of the proton was not discovered till 1954. 1954 they discovered that it can be used for cancer treatment, but till that time people did not have money, individuals did not have money, universities did not have money, People did not have money, and that is why the experimentation could not take place till 1961. 1961 for the first time, tome eitu lekhiya ko arambo karibo. 1961 for the first time proton therapy was used to kill cancer cells, and the experiment, it was only in the experimentation stage. In 1991 it could be used on a large scale, because now rich people and governments and other people are coming out with millions of dollars. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିଛି $125 million it was given to the institute to carry on with the experiment, and because of this more number of people can be used in the research work, in the treatment of the patient. So now the treatment of the patient has become the main focus of these people, and the impact is this, the after effect, the result is this, that a patient who is treated with proton therapy, by proton therapy, the patient does not have any side effect. She is only suffering from cancer, and the cancer is getting killed because of this treatment. No side effect, no extra pain because of the treatment. Okay, so now that is the benefit of the proton therapy, and which could come from Kotu Asila mainly. Proton therapy proton Rutherford bar kortai paranti, but it is because of Komaki. Who is Komaki? Who is a sufferer of these protons and neutrons. Kahinki atom bomb padithila Nagasaki and Hiroshima, and she belongs to Hiroshima, and she suffered and she saw her father dying, her cousins dying, her neighbors dying every day. And when she grew up and she took this promise to experiment on cancer and find a solution, a kind of a permanent solution to the problem of cancer. Permanent solution hasn't come, but at least it is the past step 9. Eta pare pahunchi galani bodhe 60 ki 70% re pahunchi galani this particular treatment. So the future is at least very bright. So that is all. तम मैंने सब वर्तमान कौन करो ता मुझे गुड़ा आंसर गुड़ा कहली जहाँ पढ़ेली यू राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चंस इमीडिएटली. ओके किए तुम्हें बतन साइंस स्टूडेंट हेतिबो कि फिजिक्स पढ़ुथबो केमिस्ट्री पढ़ुथबो यू डोंट हैव एनी टाइम फॉर इंग्लिश, but this is also related to science. You see, this cancer topic is related to science, so at least you will be interested and write down the answers, because you will not get any time to prepare English till the examination. अब सबुते 90 पाइबो, इंग्लिश रे पाइबो 30 गला सरी गला. So write down the answers, do well, all the best. Okay, we will meet again later. Thank you.